Hey everyone, welcome back to Secure CyberMart. Before we dive in, don't forget to check out Secure CyberMart, link in the description, for affordable home security systems, budget home security solutions, home security camera deals, and all the best affordable home security options. Now let's get started. With the rise in technology and increasingly sophisticated threats, it's more important than ever to adopt smart, low-cost home security habits. In this video, I'm going to share with you affordable home security habits to keep your home safe. These tips cover everything from DIY home security systems and wireless affordable home security systems to home security deals and home security gadget discounts, so you can protect your home without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. Habit 1. Install security cameras. First up, installing security cameras is one of the most effective ways to deter burglars and monitor your property. Whether you choose indoor, outdoor, or both, having inexpensive home security options like affordable home surveillance can significantly enhance your home's safety. Why it's important. Security cameras deter potential intruders and provide valuable footage in case of an incident, helping identify suspects and serving as evidence. Practical tips. Place security cameras at entry points like doors and windows. Consider cameras with night vision for 24/7 surveillance. Opt for cameras with motion detection and alerts to your phone. Store footage in the cloud or on a secure hard drive. Habit 2. Use a home security system. A comprehensive home security system can include alarms, sensors, and monitoring services. These systems can alert you and authorities in case of a break-in or other emergencies. Why it's important. The system provides an extra layer of protection and can respond faster than you might in an emergency. Practical tips. Choose a system with door and window sensors, motion detectors, and a control panel. Consider professional monitoring for 24/7 response. Test your system regularly to ensure all components are working. Look out for home security system deals, home security gadget discounts, or home security system promotions to save money. Habit 3. Secure your windows and doors. Ensuring that all entry points are secure is fundamental. Burglars often seek easy access, so ensuring your windows and doors are locked and reinforced can be a significant deterrent. Why it's important. Many break-ins occur through unsecured doors or windows. Simple measures can prevent these opportunistic crimes. Practical tips. Install deadbolts on all exterior doors. Use window locks or security film on glass windows. Consider security bars or grills for added protection, especially on ground floor windows. Shop around for home security packages, deals, or discounts to bundle these upgrades at a lower cost. Habit 4. Use smart locks. Smart locks offer convenience and security, allowing you to control access to your home remotely and receive notifications when someone enters or exits. Why it's important. Smart locks eliminate the need for physical keys and provide real-time monitoring of who is accessing your home. Practical tips. Choose a smart lock that integrates with your home security system. Set up temporary access codes for guests or service providers. Monitor activity through a smartphone app. Look for home security system specials, home security system offers, or home security system rebates to get the best price. Habit 5. Keep your home well lit. Good lighting around your home can deter intruders and make your property less appealing to criminals who prefer to operate in the dark. Why it's important. Well-lit homes are less likely to be targeted because criminals want to avoid being seen. Practical tips. Install motion sensor lights around the perimeter of your home. Use timers or smart bulbs to turn lights on and off when you're away. Ensure all exterior lights are functioning properly. Check for home security system bundles that include lighting solutions or affordable home security equipment packages. Habit 6. Be mindful of social media. In the age of social media, it's easy to overshare information that could make your home a target. Being cautious about what you post can help protect your property. Why it's important. Posting about vacations or sharing that you're away from home can signal to burglars that your house is empty. Practical tips. Avoid posting real-time updates about your whereabouts on platforms where you have public profiles. Use privacy settings to control who can see your posts. Consider waiting until you return from a trip to share photos or updates. If you use affordable smart home security devices, share general tips rather than exact models or real-time statuses. In conclusion, implementing these 6 affordable home security habits, from budget home security solutions and affordable home security cameras to home security installation and home security system financing, can significantly enhance the safety of your home. Remember, home security isn't just about installing gadgets, it's about adopting smart habits. Take advantage of home security discounts, home security system coupons, and home security systems that offer protection without overspending. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Secure CyberMart for more tips on keeping your home secure. Be sure to visit Secure CyberMart, link in the description, to explore affordable home security packages, inexpensive home security options, and the latest home security system deals. Thanks for watching and stay safe.